everyday cleaning classrooms and corridors take a lot of time.
Yes, it needs continuous effort for the people. We also saw cleaning robots used in homes, offices and hospitals.
That inspired us to design a cleaning robot using robotics.
When the cleaning is tiny and time-consuming, it's difficult to clean large areas regularly.
And when obstacles like chairs or tables are present, cleaning becomes harder.
So we need an automatic solution. Our idea is to make a robot that cleans the floor automatically.
It should move forward on its own.
And it should avoid obstacles without human help. So we decided to use obstacle sensor for this.
We built the structures using beams, wheels, axles and connectors.
Motors are used to move the beams. A controller controls the motor's movement. Myself Maulishwar. Myself Hitesh.
Myself Abdulaziz.
And we are the students of grade 6 from Ares International School of Excellence.
We are going to build a cleaning robot. For building a cleaning robot, we are going to use a tire and an universal tire.
Next, I am going to attach this cleaning set. Now, I am going to connect the controller and the obstacle sensor.
When the robot moves forward, it starts cleaning the area.
If an obstacle comes in front, the obstacle sensor detects it. Then the robot moves backward and turns into another direction.
The process repeats again and again.
The project is over. Now we have to code for this. The coding is over. Now we have to test the project. I am going to test the project. Cleaning robot works automatically in real time. It reduces human effort and saves time.
It can clean the area efficiently without stopping.
This robot can be used in homes, schools, hospitals and offices.
This project helps us understand automation, sensors, motors, and real-life robotic applications.